Let's examine the distributive property a little bit. If I had a times the quantity x minus 3, I'd take that thing that was being multiplied and I'd multiply it by the x, and then I'd multiply this by the negative 3, and I'd get, the x times the a, and then the negative 3 times the a. Now let's look here. I've got x plus 2 times x minus 3, right? So what's being multiplied here by the x minus 3? Up here, it was the a being multiplied by the x minus 3. Down here, what's being multiplied by the x minus 3? This whole thing, x plus 2. So I'm going to take this whole x plus 2, and I'm going to multiply it by the x. And that's going to give me x times x plus 2, which you see down here, x times x plus 2. And then you're going to take the x plus 2 and distribute it to the negative 3, and that's going to give me negative 3 times x plus 2, which you get here. Okay, so that's the process of distributing the first term into both. So I get x times x plus 2 minus 3 times x plus 2. Again, distribute again, x squared plus 2x. Then you distribute the negative 3 here, and you get minus 3x plus 2. And you get x squared minus x plus 2 as your final. Again, over here, we have the quantity 2x minus 3 being multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. We're going to take that 2x minus 3 and multiply it by the x. Okay, that gives us x times 2x minus 3, which is here. Then you take the 2x minus 3 and multiply it by the negative 4, and you get the negative 4 times 2x minus 3. So you get this. Then you distribute the x to get this, distribute the negative 4 to get this, combine like terms, and you get 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. Over here, we're going to take the this quantity x plus 2, multiply it by the x, and you get x times x plus 2. Then you take the x plus 2 and you multiply it by the negative 2, and you get negative 2 times the quantity x plus 2. You redistribute again to get this, combining like terms. In this case, these terms cancel, and you get x squared minus 4. This is the new key step here, though, distributing a whole nother parenthesis term to both.